Greetings, welcome to K10 Rainbow Martial Arts Academy. In this video, we're going to be continuing down the rabbit hole of the Yang Style 24 form. In the last video, we covered brush knee twist step, which is this section here. And in this one, we're going to be covering a transition called play the lute into Repulse Monkey. Okay, so play the lute is simply just this right here, right? So it's like you're playing guitar, but you're going forward like this. Right? It's simulating like someone grabs your wrist here, someone grabs your wrist, and you twist it, and you come up like that, and you pop underneath their arm. So you get an arm break, all right? One idea for play the lute. So let's go from brush knee twist step, and then play the lute. We're gonna do the same thing that we did when we transitioned from parting wild horse's mane to lift hands, is just the partial step up, right? So we're gonna be from, where are we at brush knee twist step? Gonna do the same transition forward, turn the hip, step in, set back. And then we're gonna have the heel up this time, okay? So brush knee twist step, transition to the front of your foot, twist in, step in, set back, heel out, well, toes up. Okay. With the hands, we're coming from here. You're going to set up like this. Here, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Right here. So just this hand. 1, 2, 3. Right. This hand, 1, 2, 3. So the hand, my front hand is coordinated with my front foot. My back hand is coordinated with my back foot. So just watch it slowly. Right. 1, 1, transition back. Right. 1 step here. So as the foot, 1, 2. Right. So shift forward. This hand is going to relax down as my foot comes up, and I'm going to kind of do this number, right? To the transition to the seating to substantial here. When this foot steps out, this hand is going to come out like that and set like this as the foot comes in. Okay? All right. So brush knee. Up. Half step up. 1, 2. Okay. Now Repulse Monkey, we're going to be going backwards. All right. So I'm going to do it this way from here. So this hand is going to you just get into right here. 1, 2, 3, and then this back hand is going to go back like this, and then you're going to lift both hands up. Step behind. As you're stepping behind, this hand's going to transition up, and you're going to turn out and go here, and then open, and then here, and here. And I'm out of space. Okay? So the idea here is the person grabbing your arm is the monkey, and you're repulsing them, okay? So if they grab your hand, you're going to have here, and then you have this rotation up. So what you're doing is you're rotating and then twisting like this, right? You're twisting and you're pulling them towards you. So what this is going to do is going to put torque here, and it's going to affect their shoulder, and a slight pull forward is going to cause them to do this. So when you're doing this, and then you're stepping backwards, you're not using your arm strength to pull them forward. You're using gravity as you're pulling forward this way. So you're twisting their arm, affecting their shoulder and structure, and then just using the force of your body moving backwards to pull them into a face strike from the other hand. So we're here. 1, 2. 1, 2. They grab the hand. I'm going to wrap around, step through, pull them in, and strike. and then here. Okay, I'm going to do it from the other angle. I'm going to go from, we'll do it from white crane. Oh wait, we'll just do it from brush knee. I don't want to go that far. So brush knee. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, something else you can notice is we lift our knee up and then we step back. So this could be, you're grabbing, you're pulling them in, and this could be a kick and then a pull forward. All right, so a knee can just be a transition back. It can be an attack, or it could just be prepping for a kick. Sorry, I lose my balance on these mats sometimes. Okay, so we're here. Somebody grabs, wait, we get to here, boom, boom, boom. Somebody grab my hand, I'm ripping up this way, I may do a little kick, pull them off balance, and strike them in the face, right? Boom, here, pull them off balance, strike them in the face. Well, here, maybe a little kick. Could be a straight lift kick just to the top of the groin. It could be a thrust kick to the stomach. It depends on how close you are and your skills and abilities. All right? So if you have any questions on Repulse Monkey and or Play the Lute, please comment down below. All right. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. All right. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below and watch the video on your